Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Talents Toy Reviews. Today is Mystery Monday. So I have Connects Super Mario, Hot Wheels Mystery Models number 2, and Squinkies Do Drops. Alright, let's start opening them up. Let's start opening up the the Connects Super Mario Series 10. This is ages for 6 through 9. Alright, I have Cannonball Mario. Let's fit in instructions right there. And there he is. Super cool. Right, let's open up the Hot Wheels. Okay, we have a checklist. So here is the checklist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are this is the back where you can put stickers if you want to put stickers on there. Alright, I want number 7. BMW M3 GT2. That is what I have. And that one it looks like. This is super cool. This is going to be in my giveaway box, plus the sticker. Let's put those aside for now. Alright, let's open up some Squinkies Do Drops Mystery Villa. Okay, here is the checklist. There are Fairway Forest, Jungle Oshis, Playset Exclusive, Ultra Rare Dews, Sparkly Village Acres, Arctic Island, Sparkly Sea, and Garden E. Right, let's see who we got. It comes with 3 if I can find it. I got an ultra rare. It is Dragon Pug. Dragon Pug. Cute. Alright, let's put you aside. Cutie Pine. This is Cutie Pine. So it's a pine cone. Cute, and it is rare as also. Right, last one is the dew. Ah, cute. So there is the hairdo. Let's try to find that one. Starry Dew. This is Starry Dew, and it is green, so that must be common. Cool. There it is on the pine cone. Cool. Alright, if you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please leave a friendly comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. And also, please go outside today. Bye. High five, guys.